I do want to show you a safe forward fold you can do hanging on the back of a chair, which is more like doing a downward dog with a chair. So what I'm going to do is have my chair a little bit over to the side now. And again, you got to push down on the top of the chair so that it does not move. I'm going to walk myself away, walk myself away, walk myself away, and then just hang down here. So again, I'm lengthening my spine. And some people could even drop their heads lower, but you should feel a beautiful length in the spine. And then coming back up. Now, if you wanted to, and you want to go deeper, you could do it with the lower side of the chair. And then again, this is sort of like a downward dog on a chair, lengthening your spine, feeling that stretch, and then safely coming up. So, how are you all feeling? You should feel a little looser in your upper body. So the chair, again, can be used in so many different ways.